Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube app. All right, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on Settings, then select General. Inside the General menu, you'll see an option called Appearance. Tap on it. Now choose the Dark Theme option. Once selected, the entire YouTube interface will switch to dark mode instantly. If you're using an iPhone or Android with system-wide dark mode, YouTube also gives you the option to match the device theme automatically. So if your phone is already in dark mode, YouTube can adjust accordingly without manual changes. Using dark mode helps reduce eye strain and can also save battery on OLED screens. So that's basically how you can enable dark mode on YouTube app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.